Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the beautiful Bougainvillea plants. Known for their stunning colors and unique care requirements, Bougainvillea plants brighten any garden or balcony. I'll cover everything you need to know to care for your Bougainvillea, from sunlight, watering and pruning, to common problems and solutions. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Bougainvillea is a genus of thorny ornamental vines, bushes, or trees native to South America, ranging from Brazil to Peru and southern Argentina. The genus was named after Louis-Antoine de Bougainville, a French navigator who discovered the plant in Brazil in 1768. Bougainvillea is renowned for its stunning appearance and vibrant flowers. This ornamental plant boasts thorny vines, bushes, or trees with lush green foliage that serves as a backdrop for its show-stopping blooms. The true flowers are small and white, but it's the bracts, modified leaves that come in a variety of colors including pink, white, red, purple, and orange, that steal the show. These bracts surround the tiny flowers, creating a dazzling display of color that lasts for an extended period, making Bougainvillea a favorite choice for adding a splash of color to gardens, trellises, and landscapes. This beauty, I call her the Queen of the Sun, has been with me for 5 years. From spring to summer, I keep her on my southwest balcony where she gets around 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight. In the middle of autumn, I bring her inside because Bougainvilleas are not frost tolerant. That's why I keep her in this size, so I can bring her inside. She grows very quickly during the growing season. I'll talk about how to keep her alive during the winter later in this video. Bougainvilleas are sun-loving plants that thrive in bright, direct sunlight. They require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to bloom profusely and develop their vibrant colors. Without adequate sunlight, they may become leggy and fail to produce flowers. So, when choosing a spot for your Bougainvillea, make sure it receives plenty of sunlight to keep it happy and blooming beautifully. Bougainvilleas thrive in warm climates and are sensitive to cold temperatures. They are not frost tolerant, so it's essential to protect them from frost. The ideal temperature range for Bougainvilleas is between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. In these climates, Bougainvilleas exhibit vigorous growth and abundant flowering. While they can tolerate temperatures as low as 30 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit for a short period, long exposure to freezing temperatures can damage or kill the plant. As I mentioned before, I keep mine inside during winter. Let me tell you now how to keep her alive during the winter. There are 2 options I've already tried, and it will depend on your light position in your home. The first way is to bring her inside when the temperatures start dropping and place her in a darker, cooler place without direct sunlight. She will drop all her leaves overnight, which is normal as she is preparing for the winter cycle. In this stage, you should reduce watering, maybe once per month, or the best is to check the soil. If almost dry, give her a little water. She will be in a dormant stage and won't have leaves, so the water will stay longer in the pot. In early spring, you can move her to a brighter position and, if possible, direct sun. When the temperatures at night are not lower than 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you can move her outside. The second way to care for your Bougainvillea during winter is if you have a spot inside your house near a south or west-facing window. Placing her here will keep her warm and allow her to continue growing and blooming, albeit with fewer blooms and less vibrant colors. Remember to water her regularly, but less frequently than in summer, to help her thrive in this indoor environment. Please note that in both ways, she will drop off her leaves when you move her inside, so don't worry, if you follow the advice, she will come back more beautifully. Now let's talk about water requirements. During the growing season, which is usually from spring to summer, Bougainvilleas like to be kept consistently moist, but not waterlogged. You can check the moisture level by inserting your finger into the soil. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. During the summer, when temperatures can reach up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit like in my area, daily watering might be necessary. Bougainvilleas will show you when they're thirsty by wilting their leaves. In that case, give them plenty of water. However, it's important to never water your plants, including Bougainvilleas, when it's very hot or in direct sunlight. Wait until the evening when temperatures drop to avoid damaging your plant. The best times for watering are early in the morning or later in the evening. In the winter months, when the plant is dormant, you should reduce watering. Allow the top few inches of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering during this time can lead to root rot. It's also important to note that bougainvilleas don't like to sit in water, so make sure your pots have good drainage. Using a well-draining potting mix can also help prevent waterlogging. Fertilizing your bougainvillea is crucial, especially if it's growing in a pot or container. During the growing season, typically from spring to early fall, you can fertilize your bougainvillea every 1 to 2 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. This will help promote blooming and overall plant health. Personally, I fertilize mine with every watering during summer, but I use less than the prescribed dosage. When fertilizing, it's important to follow the instructions on the fertilizer package and avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to salt buildup in the soil. However, in the winter months when the plant is dormant, you should stop fertilizing altogether. This allows the plant to rest and prepare for the next growing season. Let's talk about planting, repotting, and soil requirements for your bougainvillea. When planting your bougainvillea, choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Bougainvilleas prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.0. If you're planting in a pot or container, make sure it has good drainage holes. Use a well-draining potting mix, such as one designed for cacti and succulents, and add some perlite or sand to improve drainage. Repot your bougainvillea every 2 to 3 years, or when it outgrows its current pot. When repotting, gently loosen the roots and place the plant in a slightly larger pot with fresh potting mix. Pruning is an essential aspect of bougainvillea care, crucial for maintaining its health and appearance. It's best done in late winter or early spring, just before the plant begins its new growth cycle. I prefer to prune mine after blooming or when I bring her inside for the winter period, as she naturally sheds leaves, making it the perfect time for pruning. I only prune lightly in early spring if necessary, as making massive cuts then can delay the production of new leaves and blooms. Start by removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. Then, prune back any overly long or leggy branches to encourage bushier growth and more blooms. You can also prune to shape your bougainvillea, but be cautious not to remove too much foliage, as this can reduce flowering. Always use sharp, clean pruning shears to make clean cuts and avoid damaging the plant. Additionally, wear gloves to protect your hands from the thorns. Proper pruning will help your bougainvillea stay healthy, promote blooming, and maintain its desired shape. Training and supporting your bougainvillea is essential for achieving the desired shape and structure. Bougainvilleas are natural climbers, so they benefit from being trained to grow on a trellis, arbor, or other support structure. When training your bougainvillea, gently guide the branches towards the support structure and secure them in place using soft ties or twine. Avoid using materials that can cut into the branches. As the plant grows, continue to guide the branches to fill in the support structure evenly. Regular pruning can also help shape your bougainvillea and encourage it to grow in a more controlled manner. Remove any branches that are growing in the wrong direction or are crossing over each other. Proper support and training will not only enhance the appearance of your bougainvillea but also help prevent the branches from becoming tangled or overcrowded. This, in turn, can promote better air circulation and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. Bougainvilleas are generally hardy plants but can occasionally be affected by pests and diseases. Common pests that can affect bougainvilleas include aphids, mealybugs, and caterpillars. These pests can usually be controlled with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Another common issue is powdery mildew, a fungal disease that appears as a white, powdery coating on the leaves. This can be treated with fungicidal sprays or by improving air circulation around the plant. Root rot can also be a problem, especially if the plant is overwatered or planted in poorly draining soil. To prevent root rot, ensure your bougainvillea is planted in well-draining soil and avoid overwatering. Regularly inspecting your bougainvillea for signs of pests and diseases and taking prompt action can help keep your plant healthy and thriving. I hope this information has covered all you need to know about successfully growing Bougainvillea plants. Feel free to ask any questions you may have, or share any useful tips in the comments below. If you like my content, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and it's completely free for you. Thanks for watching.